What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I want to show you how easy it is to do a little food prepping. Hey, I was on Amazon. I saw this. It's my Mountain House. I just showed you some Mountain House food, so we're going to check this out here. I just want to quick do an unboxing here because this Mountain House package is a 4-day emergency food supply. This is kind of great. Look how small this is. You know, it's about the size of a shoebox, and so the fact that you have a bunch of food in here and even a graphic right there and then a list of what we have here makes it really easy to store stuff on your shelf for a long period of time and then have it when you need it. So freeze-dried food is great. It's small. All it takes is hot water to make it delicious and edible. First of all, we've got granola with milk and blueberries. 2 of those. We've got breakfast skillet, hash browns and scrambled eggs, pork sausage patty, peppers and onions. Again, 2 of everything, just like the Ark. We have noodles and chicken here, so sounds like a nice little entree. We also have beef stew. Who doesn't like a little beef stew? And then we have Italian style pepper steak with rice and tomatoes. And then last, we also have lasagna with meat sauce. A little bit of Italian delicacy here. So, cool. All of this comes in this box. It's not that expensive, and you get all of this food just in case something happens. You get snowed in, you lose power. You're a homebody for a day. You go camping, put one of these in your backpack or your bug out bag, or multiples. Just really nice to have. You never know when you're not going to have access to food. So check it out. I'll put a link to this box in the description, and we'll be trying these out soon. Peter Von Panda, out!